And Diesel will go get it.
Oh my God.
And bring it back.
See?
Oh, you threw the
Oh,
cake
yeah.
over here.
Honey,
I bet he just
stop.
snapped about
Oh, he
that.
thought that was the best game in the world.
Sissy, what throwing it to now?
Ah, go get it, bud.
Good job.
Get it.
He says, I will reach to it. Reach to it. Good job. Way to go, Alex. Good throw. Here it comes.
All right.
See, I like a game. Roll it back.
Now
Throw it back.
Throw it back to him, sweetie.
Well.
He did that train go. He said, caught my attention. I like this game.
Throw it back.
Yay.
Duh.
I like this game. All right.
For that mommy.
Not too hard. Oh, yeah. He thought Diesel was the best thing since
I
sliced.
bet. Because he's
Can you make it for me? Sorry.
Good job, good job.